Okay, now what we're going to do, now we are going to connect to the database from the backend. So for that, what we're going to do, we're going to install our MySQL client on our front back instance. Then to connect it from there, we're going to use this command mysql dash u means the user. Then we'll specify the user, which user we were trying to access, which one is the two-tier user. Then the p means the password, and the h means the host, like the IP address. So in case we are going to use our database IP address, and dash d means which database we are going to access, which is the two-tier. So let's do that. For that, let's just copy our database IP address. So what I have to do, MySQL, oh sorry, not here, sorry. This is the database. We have to go to our front and back end, clear it. Oh, we didn't update the packages in here. Sudo apt update. After that, what we have to do, we have to install our MySQL client. So for that, the command is sudo apt install MySQL client. So let's just install it. So let me clear it. Yep. Sudo apt install MySQL client. This client is necessary for to access my database instead of the database where I install the server. I am installing the client in here to access the server. Hit enter, then it will need the permission. Okay, so it has been installed in here. Let me just clear that. Okay, now to connect the database, what I have to do, sudo, also not the sudo, MySQL, then user, the user is a two-tier user, two-tier user. After that, we're going to use the password. The password is dash p. Then we're going to use the database name, which is the host, the database IP address. Then insert the database IP address. Then we're going to specify like which database you want to access. So not this one, D. Then the database name is two-tier. So everything is good. So if I just hit enter, then it's going to ask for the password. So for the password was the my secret pwd. The pw my secret pw. If I hit enter, okay. So I think since the password is wrong, let me just copy it from there. P MySQL to the user. Okay, it's saying to tire user. To tire user. To tire user. Spelling is right. TWTWTIER user. To tire user. The database spelling is right. Let's see if my database instance 204 is correct. MySQL user to tire user. The host, everything looks good. Let's see. Mm, based number. Okay. Let's see in the database if actually something wrong with history. Okay, so let's just go to my database. QL show databases to tire UWOTIER to tire. Okay, it looks good. Let's just come to command again. MySQL, and then after that we're going to specify the user, which is the two-tier user. Then the host name, oh, not this one. Copy the host name from here. Then after that, the database. The database is two tier. And after that, specify the password. Enter the password, which was my secret PW. It should. Okay, okay. Just copy the password again. Mm, okay, syntax is denied. Okay. Didn't I this one? Mm. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Mm. Mm. See the my secret pwd is still good. For the two-tier user. Okay, let's see. Let me just go to my sudo su MySQL. I can create user. First, I'll just create a new user. That's the name two-tier user at the rate from any local host from any port. Then identified by my secret PW. Two-tier user at the rate defined by my secret PW. Everything looks good. Mm. Then grant all privileges on to this two-tier user. Then at the rate of all host with grant option. With grant option, enter, then flash the privileges. Okay, now just exit it, sudo systemctl, start MySQL. Okay, so if I want to access it again, instead of this one, let us access the other one to higher user with the password. Okay, so the thing that happened in here, I think I misspelled something in this section, so that's why I wasn't able to access it once. So make sure that whenever you type the username and other thing, make sure that everything is correct. Okay, so that's how you're going to connect to your database from backend using this MySQL client. So right now I'm in the front end back, if you see, not in the database. So that's how I'm going to access my server from my client.